on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today, I'm going to be making a chili mac bake. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cups of dried elbow macaroni, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1 15.5 ounce can of petite diced tomatoes, 1 15.5 ounce can of light red kidney beans. You want to drain and rinse them. 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 medium onion diced, 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. I have chopped scallions, the green parts for garnish at the end, that's optional, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. To a pot of salted boiling water, I'm going to add in my elbow macaroni. And you want to let them cook for about 7 to 8 minutes until al dente. Now to a heated skillet, I'm going to add in my tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Next, I'm going to add in my onion, and we're going to saute that for 4 minutes. You want the heat to be on medium-low. After 4 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. We're going to saute that for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and break it down. We're going to make sure it's well combined with our onion and garlic. Now you want to continue to let your ground beef cook until it's brown all the way through. Once your elbow macaroni is done cooking, you want to go ahead and drain it and set it to the side. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you want to go ahead and remove it from your skillet and drain it of all excess grease. Once you've drained it of all excess grease, we're going to add in our smoked paprika, our ground cumin, black pepper, adobo all-purpose seasoning, and our chili powder. And we're just going to go ahead and mix that together until it's well combined. And you want to let it go ahead and cook for 2 minutes. Now we're going to add in our petite diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, and also our kidney beans. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, we're going to lower our heat to low, and we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. At this time, you can go ahead and give it a taste. If you want to adjust any of your seasonings, you can do it now. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and stir it. We're going to add in our elbow macaroni. Now you want to just go ahead and mix it in until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you want to add in your heavy whipping cream. I'm going to go ahead and mix that again. You can set your oven to 375 degrees. Once it's well combined, you can go ahead and turn off your heat. Now you want to get a baking dish and you want to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Now just add in your pasta mixture and you just want to make sure it's nice and even. Now it's time to add our shredded cheddar cheese over top. Now you can place it in your 375 degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 25 minutes and our chili mac bake is out the oven. So now I'm just going to sprinkle on some scallions for color. I'm going to let it cool off for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our chili mac bake. Guys, when I tell you this is delicious, believe me, you guys are going to love this. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?